Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 16th July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 15 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. India's first auto-transplant kidney surgery was conducted at. Answer is AIIMS Delhi. A 7-year-old boy from West Bengal underwent India's first successful rare kidney autotransplant surgery at AIIMS Delhi. The first kidney autotransplantation was attempted in 2014 in Korea on a 13-year-old patient, but it was unsuccessful, necessitating the removal of the kidney shortly after the operation. This case in India is the third in the world and the first successful right kidney aneurysmectomy and autotransplantation. Question number 2. India won the 2024 World Championship of Legends title by defeating which country? Answer is Pakistan. India champions secured a thrilling 5-wicket victory over Pakistan champions in the World Championship of Legends 2024 final at Edgbaston on 13th July. Pakistan, opting to bat first, scored 156 runs for 6 wickets in their innings. Led by Yuvraj Singh, India successfully chased a target of 157 runs in 19.1 overs. Ambati Rayudu top scored for India with 50 runs. Question number 3. India will host the first World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit in. Answer is Goa. India will host the first World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES, in Goa from 20 to 24 November 2024. This was announced by the Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting, Ashwani Vaishnav. The first World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES, will be held alongside the 55th International Film Festival of India, IFFI. The 55th International Film Festival of India will be held in Goa from 20 to 28 November 2024. Question number 4. PM Narendra Modi has inaugurated the Indian Newspaper Society, INS Towers, in. Answer is Mumbai. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the INS Towers at the Indian Newspaper Society, INS Secretariat, in Mumbai's Bandra Kurla complex. This new facility is set to serve as a modern hub for the newspaper industry in Mumbai, addressing the evolving needs of INS members. The Indian Newspaper Society acts as the central organization of the Press of India, was founded in 1939. Its headquarters are at Rafi Marg, New Delhi. Question number 5. Recently, Spain won the Euro Championship 2024 title by defeating. Answer is England. Spain won its record 4th European Soccer Championship by defeating England 2-1 in the finals of Euro 2024 in Berlin. The 2024 UEFA European Football Championship, commonly referred to as UEFA Euro 2024 or simply Euro 2024, was the 17th edition of the UEFA European Championship organized by Union of European Football Associations, UEFA. Germany hosted the tournament, which took place from 14th June to 14th July 2024. Question number 6. How many times has KP Sharma Oli been appointed as the Prime Minister of Nepal? Answer is 4th. Khadga Prasad Sharma Oli, KP Sharma Oli, was sworn in as the Prime Minister of Nepal for the 4th time by President Ramchandra Paudel on 15th July 2024 in Kathmandu. He first became the Prime Minister in October 2015 and remained in power till August 2016. His second term as the Prime Minister was from February 2018 to May 2021, and his third was from May 2021 to July 2021. Nepal became a republic in April 2008 with the abolition of the monarchy. Question number 7. Who has won the 2024 Wimbledon men's singles title? Answer is Carlos Alcaraz. The 137th edition of the Wimbledon Championship was held at Wimbledon in England from 1st to 14th July 2024. Carlos Alcaraz of Spain and Barbora Krejcikova of Czech Republic won the men's and women's single title respectively at the 2024 Wimbledon Tennis Championships. It was the second consecutive Wimbledon singles title for Carlos Alcaraz and first Wimbledon singles title for Barbora Krejcikova. Question number 8. Arun Kumar Bansal has been appointed as the MD and CEO of which payments bank? Answer is Paytm. Arun Kumar Bansal, former Executive Director of IDBI Bank Limited, has been appointed as the Managing Director, MD, and Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of Paytm Payments Bank Limited. He succeeds Surinder Chawla, who resigned from the position in April 2024 for personal reasons. Arun Kumar Bansal started his career at the Indian Bank in 1991. Question number 9. Who has assumed the charge as the new Foreign Secretary of India? Answer is Vikram Misri. Vikram Misri assumed the charge of Foreign Secretary of India on 15th July 2024. 1989 batch Indian Foreign Service Officer, Misri has taken over the mantle from Vinay Quatra. Misri previously served as Deputy National Security Advisor and played a crucial role in India-China relations post the Galwan Valley clashes. He served as India's ambassador to China from 2019 to 2021, navigating challenging bilateral relations. Question number 10. Gitanas Nosda was sworn in as the President of. Answer is Lithuania. Lithuanian President Gitanas Nausėda was sworn in for a second 5-year term on 12 July 2024. Nausėda, a 60-year-old economist, was re-elected president in May after defeating his rival Simonite in the second round of presidential elections. Gitanas Nausėda is a Lithuanian politician, economist, and banker who is serving as the 9th and incumbent president of Lithuania since 2019. Question number 11. Robert Gerard Ravi has been appointed as the new chairman and MD of. Answer is BSNL. Robert Gerard Ravi has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director, CMD, of Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, BSNL, Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, MTNL, and Bharat Broadband Network Limited, BBNL, for 6 months. He is currently serving as a Deputy Director General at the Department of Telecommunications. He succeeds P.K. Purwar, who served as the CMD of BSNL and MTNL since July 2019. Question number 12. Recently, which country's player, James Anderson, has retired from Test cricket? Answer is England. One of the all-time greats of modern cricket, James Anderson from England, retired from international cricket on 12 July 2024. He played 188 Test matches in his career, which lasted 21 years. In his 188 Test matches, Anderson took 704 wickets. He is the third highest Test wicket-taker in the world after Muthaiya Muralidharan of Sri Lanka, with 800 wickets in 113 matches, and Shane Warne of Australia, with 708 wickets in 145 matches. Question number 13. Which fund will the government launch to promote agricultural startups? Answer is AgriSure. The Government of India is set to launch the Agri Fund for Startups and Rural Enterprises, AgriSure, to support startups and agripreneurs. This initiative aims to foster innovation and sustainability in India's agricultural sector through the establishment of a 750 crore rupees Category 2 Alternative Investment Fund, AIF. The fund created by NABARD, in collaboration with the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare, will have an initial corpus of 750 crore rupees. Question number 14. Who recently became the most followed global leader on social media platform, X? Answer is Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has become the most followed global leader on social media platform X. The number of PM's followers has crossed 100 million. In the last 3 years, Modi was followed by 30 million new people. Narendra Modi joined X, then Twitter, in 2009. Question number 15. Second regional event of Hamara Samvitan Hamara Samman campaign take place in. Answer is Prayagraj. The second regional event of the Hamara Samvitan Hamara Samman campaign take place in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh on the 16th of July 2024. The Hamara Samvitan Hamara Samman campaign was inaugurated by the Honorable Vice President of India on 24th January 2024 at the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar International Centre in New Delhi. The first regional event was inaugurated by Chief Justice of India, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, in Bikaner, Rajasthan, on 9th March 2024. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.